In this video, I am going to show you how to watch Naruto Shippuden with English subtitles. So first off, let's go search Crunchyroll and go watch anime only free. Then go and log in. If you don't have an account, create one. Now go click explore and click this search bar and you have to search Naruto. Click Naruto Shippuden and there you go. You can watch Naruto Shippuden with English subtitles. Any episodes you want. If you want to skip ads, just go to premium and you have to avail there you have to pick your own premium to avoid ads.